man. That gotta be my package, man. Hey, packing the mail's gone. See, like I said, go home. And this I did tomorrow. I know this gotta be it, right?
Hey, I up it, then my
Alright, now that the coast is clear, I guess we can get into this video game. Man, first of all, what's up? What's up? What's up? Stop down game. Look, we back with a banger. You dig? Hey, look. Today we're gonna be unboxing my ring light. So this is my first official ring light that I actually paid for with my own money. So this is my first ring light. So gang, first of all, man, y'all already know what this means, man. Y'all already know what this means. Better content. We about to just turn things up a notch on a whole nother level. Even though we already turned, y'all already know how we get down. We stay litty, you know me? We litty. This is about to take us to the next level, man. Then I'm gonna need a camera, then I'm gonna need a MacBook. Y'all already know how to go. It's a grind, you know me? You gotta invest in yourself. That's all I gotta say. You gotta invest in yourself. You gotta invest in yourself if you want certain things. First of all, you gotta invest in yourself if you want to be your own business owner. Like, come on, man. Like, people think stuff comes to them. Nah, it don't work that way. You have to go out there and get it. You gotta maintain. You gotta stay focused. You know what I mean? You gotta put your mind to it. Cause once you put your mind to it, nobody can stop you. Nobody. So today we're gonna be unboxing the Roll Top 10-inch ring light with a stand, tripod, LED phone holder, you know, the phone holder for selfies, take your little pictures, makeup, whatever, and for video live streaming for those who do gaming. Even if you just want to sit down and do your YouTube video, a ring light I feel like it's very important to your growth, especially as a YouTuber. So I feel like as a YouTuber, you have to make the investment to get a ring light. I feel like it's very worth it, and you won't regret it. It won't regret it. I paid $60. I paid about $60 for this, and it's a 10-inch, and that's actually amazing. So it's not in stock no more, but I still will leave the link in the description below so y'all can know where to get it from. I got it off Amazon. But anyway, let's get straight into this unboxing. I know this is about to be an epic fail, y'all. This is about to be an epic fail because I don't even know how to set this thing. I don't even know how to set this thing up, but I'm gonna try.
You know what you did, Shay.
But anyway, I'm happy y'all here to see me unbox this thing, man. Don't laugh at me though. But y'all already know before this video gets started, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell on to stay updated with the kid. But let's get straight to it. I need to get something to open it. Alright, I'm back. Let's get it. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? I'm gonna keep it like this so y'all can see it too. So it has a box inside of a box. Just for extra packaging. Alright. This is good. Okay. My first one. I'm so excited though, yeah. Get me. I might not look like I'm excited, but I am. Good. Trust me. This is amazing, man. Because me and my girlfriend, we had bought a ring light before. It broke. It broke so quick. It broke like within a month span of us having it. I was like, sheesh. Okay, this is really cool. I like how they have this set up. They got it boxed really well. This boxed really well. The company is called Rooftop, where I got it from if you didn't catch that in the beginning. Okay, wow, look at this, gang. Yeah, this the ring light right here. It's a ring fill light, and beauty face, make face, eye, and beauty, knit core extreme, multiple color temperatures. So you could change the settings on the lighting. It has 2 different light settings. Yeah, it has 2 different light settings, and you can adjust the light settings. Okay, this is dope. So we have our ring light. I'm pretty sure this is some stuff to put it together. Alright, I'm thinking this is the tripod right here. This is a tripod right here. Wow, tripods be looking dope. I ain't even gonna hold you. Damn, tripods be looking dope. This is the tripod right here, gang. I see that. This is on icy. This is how you open it. Let me see. First of all, I'm a rookie, y'all, so don't laugh. Don't laugh at me. But look, it was pretty. I guess it's pretty easy to open. You open it like this from this piece right here. That connected. Break it down. Bring it back up. Break it down. See, tripod is very, very effective because look, you can just set it up. You can just stand it up anyway. I feel like at this height right here, this is like, you can set this up for a mukbang or something like that, where you got close range, and I feel like it'll capture it'll have the food looking real good because you're gonna be close up, and that's what you gotta pay attention. People who do mukbangs and stuff, they camera be close up, so I feel like at this setting that's good, or just at or if you had like a park setting, or if you want to put it like low on the ground and have that high setting for a picture type, you know. So these are the 3 knobs right here. It's 3 different knobs. I'm assuming this adjusts the height. You can untwist them and bring this up. See, I'm gonna do it again. Tighten it back up. Tighten it back up. Bop. And you can untwist it like this. Bop. Untwist. Don't untwist it all the way off though. And you can bring it up. Boop. You see that? Untwist the other one. If you at this height, yeah. So it just got different heights, and you use these knobs to adjust your height. So if you wanted to be higher, look, I just let that one go. Look. Now it's this height. And then when you adjust the height, you twist it back to the right to make sure it's tight. And if that's the spot where you want your how you want your ring light set up, see, nice and easy. That was easy, nice and easy. And I'm gonna go with the tallest. I'm gonna show you how tall to go. But in order to adjust your height, you would have to unloosen the other ones that you already tightened up, and go to the last knob to make it higher. Make it higher. Bop, bop, bop. And this is how. Let me tighten it up for y'all. Tighten it up. Boop, 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 boop. Alright. Look. This ring light tall. I ain't gonna lie, this ring light pretty tall. It looked like it's about like 4 feet or 5 feet, 4 feet. Yeah, this ring light is about 4 feet or 3 feet. Yeah, something like that. It's very firm and nice. This material, it looks different from the one I got previous. The one I got before this. So I just feel like this material, like they updated their material, because I feel like this more solid than the other one, because that one just broke. Alright, so that's let me unscrew it.
So that's how you adjust your height for your ring light. So we'll put this right here to the side.
Let's open this little box right here. Okay, So I told y'all, I don't know. This video, I probably don't even fit it. You hear me? Probably don't even finish this video because I don't even know how to put this thing together. But this right here is your phone holder. This is your phone holder right here. This is your phone holder. Wow. This is the, I don't know what this is. This is something new to me. I don't know what this is. We'll figure it out, gang. But it turns on and off. It has a blue light. The extra phone holder. That's convenient. That's convenient. So they gave us one already attached to it, and they gave us an extra one. I don't know what this is, but I figure it out. I mean, I can't figure it out in this video. It was just an unboxing, y'all. It's not putting it together. Bear with me, honestly. Hey, damn. This song looks sweet. Oh my God, y'all see that?
Boy, if you don't.
Y'all see that, bruh?
Boy, if you don't.
I had to get a little thumbnail. But damn, oh my, damn. Woo! This song nice. This song nice. This real nice right here. This real nice. Let me try to put it on here, y'all. Alright, so this is the 10-inch ring light. Comes with the cord to adjust the brightness. Just the brightness. You can you see it has a volume up button, volume down, power button, and this is the different lighting settings. So I'm just gonna turn it on for y'all so y'all can get a little feel for it. You know? You dig. Gang. But y'all already know what this means. Like I said, man, this is better content, man. I'm just trying to improve. I'm just trying to get better at my craft, man, and just keep progressing, you know? That's all I'm trying to do. And this all for y'all. So know that. When y'all want to figure out who I'm doing this for, it's all for y'all. Trust me. This ain't for nobody else, man. You hear me? Go ahead and twist that on it like that. Be careful though, so you don't damage or mess up your ring light. It's on it. Pop. Oh my gosh, I done popped. I'm a rookie. I got it on there though. They ain't do nothing. Hey, this song dope. Nice. Damn, this is a nice, like, compared to this song. I swear this would just seem bigger. Oh, cause I'm keep turning it like that. It need to be loosened. Don't do that. Alright, but you can adjust it right here. Wanna bring it up, tighten it back up. Wow. Ooh, this song nice. Now let's see how I'm about to plug it up, y'all. We got it all plugged up. Damn. This is bigger than my head. Alright, let's turn it on. First of all, I'm gonna turn my other ring light off so y'all can see the full effect. Alright, y'all ready? Power on. Damn, I know y'all can't see. I'm gonna do it like this. Woo! That thing bright, y'all. That thing bright. Let's see if it go brighter than this. I think that's the brightest. That's the brightest right there. Let's turn it down. You got different tones. You hear me? You got them different tones. You hear me? This like a little dim tone. I like this. This cool. That's pretty dope, man. This song is dope. Dopey. And let's turn it all the way back up to the brightness. So that's the first setting. Let me show you how the second setting. See? You see how the light changed? It's a different color now. I think, yeah, that's the brightest. We're gonna go down to the lowest. Bop, 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 bop. Dope. Dang. Well, I guess I basically put it together by myself, besides putting the phone holder and stuff on. But I ain't gonna hold y'all up. Let me turn this off and turn my light back on. Alright, gang, so that's the end of my unboxing. Thank you so much. If you did watch this whole video, you're a true supporter. I love you so much. Turn the post notification bell on and stay updated with the kid. We're going up. I'll see y'all in the next video. God.